Okay, guys, today I'd like to share with you a future scenario which would seem rather incredible and pretty bleak. If you think that it's a likely scenario and not a sure scenario, you're mistaken. What I'm going to tell you is a scenario which is absolutely sure. What is more, we were all believing that celestial events take a long time, millions and billions of years, and hence we need not worry about it at this point of time, because millions of years is far separated from us. But today, what is happening is many celestial events are taking place right in front of our eyes without even much passage of time, at the most unexpected of times. With the result, we have all reasons to be worried about future scenarios, which may not take those millions and billions of years as space science used to convince us. One of these scenarios is a shocking scenario that when you look up at the skies, you don't find any stars. You may wonder, even today, if the sky is cloudy, in a cloudy night, you don't see any stars. I'm not talking about this scenario. I'm talking about a scenario where the skies become empty once for all. The skies become rid of stars for eternity, once for all. And if this doesn't scare you, there's something seriously wrong. Very scary scenario indeed. But then how does this happen? This is a question that I need to address today. As space science discovered recently, our belief that gravity controls everything, all the stars, all the planets, all the galaxies, is nothing but absolute nonsense. Gravity may be a factor in deciding the orbit of planets around a star. But gravity has no role to play in positioning galaxies, in the relative positioning of the different stars within a galaxy. Galaxy has absolutely no control by gravity. Then what controls all this? We have discussed in a previous episode that there is something called dark matter, which comprises of 25% of all the matter in the universe, which is not visible to us, which is not palpable to us, but which is very much there. This force keeps the galaxies in place like a spider which holds prey in place with its legs. So dark matter is visualized. Nobody has seen it. It's visualized as a huge force at the center of the universe, which holds galaxies in each of its tentacles. Now, there is an opposing force in the universe, which again we have discussed in a previous episode, that is called the dark energy. The dark energy is actually trying to pull away galaxies. Or in other words, it's trying to break off galaxies from the hold of dark matter and separate them by large distances. Now this process is not only happening, it's accelerating to our shock and surprise. Now what is called as the universe expanding is actually the dark energy pulling away galaxies. Recently, space scientists have been shocked, and we have discussed this again in a previous episode, when they found 19 galaxies simply missing. They have been pulled away by the dark energy. And please note, these events are happening just like that. It's not as if it would take millions and billions of years before such things can happen. They're happening just like that, right in front of our eyes, in our lifespans. So pretty soon, the galaxies that are visible from planet Earth and the stars that are visible from planet Earth would be pulled away by dark energy to distant places in the universe, so much so that they completely disappear from our horizon, from our skies. Or in other words, in future when you look up at the sky, you will just find a dark, bleak space, not a single star to be seen. Of course, our trusted moon would be lighting up the night skies, and moon will be throwing its light on planet Earth, because moon cannot be pulled away because it is under the gravitational control of planet Earth. But then when you look up at night, don't be shocked and surprised if you find not a single star in the sky, not only on a cloudy day, on every single day, every single year, till eternity. So this bleak, unbelievable, seemingly unlikely scenario is absolutely real. Pretty soon, the dark energy, which occupies nearly 70% of the matter in the universe, will pull away every single galaxy from our vision horizon, making our skies absolutely dark and bleak with not a single star at sight. What a horrifying scenario. But then this is fact, and there is no denying the fact, and fact is always stranger than fiction. Thank you very much.